asking meat for their lust. Yea, they spake against Elohim. They said, can El furnish a table in the wilderness? Behold, he smote the rock, that the waters gushed out and the streams overflowed. Can he give bread also? Can he provide flesh for his people? Therefore Yahuwah heard this and was wroth. So a fire was kindled against Jacob, and anger also came up against Israel, because they believed not in Elohim and trusted not in his salvation, though he had commanded the clouds from above and opened the doors of heaven.